Are you looking to turn your passion for video creation into a source of income? Rumble.com offers a unique platform where you can upload your videos and get paid for views. Whether you are a seasoned content creator or just starting out, let's dive into how you can monetize your content and make money with Rumble. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Rumble.com and also how you can earn money with Rumble.com. So the first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into Rumble.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Rumble is a video sharing platform where creators can upload and share their content. Users earn money draw ad revenue based on the number of views their videos receive. It offers an alternative to larger platforms focusing on monetization opportunities. Rumble empowers creators to turn their passion into profit. So I will show you how you can get started. All you have to do is just go to top right and you click over button of signing up, and then you have to create an account. If you already have an account, you click over sign in and you write your email address and your password, then you get started with this platform, which is Rumble. So right now you'll just click over sign up and you'll find another page, which is this one. Alright, you have just to add your name, your password, your email address, your country, then your birthday, optional files. For example, we have here select gender. Also, we have here if or type password or type email address and your username, and we have here select gender, referee, address, other again, and survey bar. And we have address is if it's site unique or full or etc. Then we have city, state or province, postal code, phone number, and here we have to confirm it if by reading these terms and privacy. If you agree, click over here and then you click over register. Alright, then you'll find this email on your Gmail. You have just to go to your Gmail and you'll find an email but from Rumble. So we have just to click here to activate your account, and then you'll find this your email has already been verified. Then you'll find this page. Here we have my account as you can see. So after creating an account on Rumble, you can start uploading your videos by clicking on the upload button. Fill in the necessary details like title, description, and text to enhance visibility. Choose your monetization options such as ad revenue, sharing, or licensing. Engage with the community by commenting on others' videos and promoting your content on social media. Finally, you have just to use Rumble's analytics tools to track your performance and optimize your content strategy for better earnings. Alright? So I will show you how you can do that. So in the top right, we have here my account. You have just right now to click over set account options. Sorry. Then you will find this page as you can see. So here we have my account information to get before getting started, such as your full name, your street address, your second street address, your city. Then we have the province or state, and also the postal code. And you select your country, your phone, select the gender, and the payment details as well in the right here. And also you select if you want PayPal, and also we have here email address, password. Then the privacy here we have show my video earnings, and you select the one you want. For example, if you want to hide my username from search results, you click over here. Also we have other things like notification, and also we have here user page display information such as profile picture if you want to just upload a photo, and we have here backsplash picture, and we have if you want to add description as well, and also we have here socials such as URL of Facebook and Twitter and Instagram, and also Truth Social. Then you have just to update about this one. When we have political donation, so you have just to add again your first name, your last name, your email address, mailing address, city, your state, zip code, your country, employer. Then we have occupation, and then you have just to click over here by checking this box, I certify this condition. You have just to read it to more understand, and you click over update again, and then this is how you can link your information before getting started and find an account. Actually, it's not find an account, but after creating an account, content I mean. So right now, let's just move into the next one. We have here again other information like here we have For example, if we go to the account options, you will find here this page, as I said. Then also we will find here, if we want, for example, the option of earning like transaction. We have here the option of earning like transactions. We have processed and pending. Then also we have here, if we scroll down, we'll find about earning, you will find payments. All right. Also we have other things like referrals. About this one, we have just, this is referral URL. That's why you have to share with your friends to go to your content or your channel. All right. So this is it. Right now, let's just come back. So right now, let's just know more information about this platform and how you can upload your video and start also the lives and you earn money with that. So we have just right now to come back. We have here in the top the option of upload or stream live. You have just to click and just select if you want to go live, or we have Rainbow Studio as well, go live and upload video. So you can just right now click over upload video to get started, and you have just to select and you upload video, and you have to add your video info, video description, the categories, and also we have here second search about the category. Then we have your video thumbnails, and also we have tags, visibility if you want to make it public, listed, private, and scheduling. Then you have just to upload and you get started, and then you upload your video on Rumble. Then also we have the option of live stream. This is how you can get started and you're starting a live stream. The first step, go to rumble.com or live, or click the set up new live stream button above, as I said. Then you have just to upload a placeholder video up to 120 seconds long, which will be looped before the stream starts. And we have, once the placeholder is uploaded, we will provide you with a streamer configuration that consists of stream URL. Then we have onto the configuration in your streaming software. All right, so we have just to click over setup and you get started. Right, so this is it for this one. So let's come back right now to the home page and let's just go to the Rumble Studio to discover it. So here we have it. You have just to get started. Here we have your all-in-one streaming studio. Go live anywhere with Rumble Studio. All right, so here we have the studio, as you can see. So as your video gain views, you will earn money based on the engagement they generate. Additionally, you can license your content to brands or media outlets for extra income. Promoting your videos on social media can help increase visibility and drive more traffic to your humble channel, maximizing your earnings potential. Regularly monitoring your analytics will also help you refine your content strategy for better results. So Rumble offers a solid opportunity for creators to monetize their videos and generate income. By sharing occasion content and utilizing monetization options, you can turn your passion into profit. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys have a fantastic day ahead.